Step inside a Toyota factory and you enter a world of precisely choreographed movement where every action is part of a larger harmonious dance. This is not a chaotic industrial space. Instead, it hums with a quiet efficiency, a testament to Toyota's relentless pursuit of perfection and innovation. Natural light streams through the high ceilings, illuminating rows of robotic arms moving with balletic grace, each one performing its task with precision. Sparks fly in controlled bursts as robots weld the car's frame, a mesmerizing display of technology at work. Workers in pristine uniforms move with purpose, their every action guided by decades of accumulated knowledge and a shared commitment to excellence. The air buzzes with a sense of purpose, a shared commitment to building more than just cars, but a legacy of quality and reliability. Toyota views its manufacturing process as an art form, a delicate dance between human ingenuity and technological prowess, where each element complements the other. Each step in the process, from the initial welding of the frame to the final inspection, is approached with meticulous care and attention to detail. Toyota's commitment to quality is palpable in every corner of the factory, where rigorous inspections ensure that every car meets the highest standards. It's in the gleam of the freshly painted car bodies, the smooth operation of the assembly line, and the focused expressions on the faces of the workers, all dedicated to their craft. The factory itself is a testament to Toyota's philosophy of continuous improvement, a living embodiment of the principles that have made it a global leader in the automotive industry, always striving for better. This is Toyota's production floor, a place where innovation meets dedication, and where every detail is meticulously planned and executed. It's a place where the cars of the future are born, crafted with an unwavering commitment to quality, efficiency, and sustainability, ensuring a better tomorrow. The journey of a Toyota car begins with the construction of its backbone, the frame. This is where the magic of engineering and technology come together to create a robust foundation. Massive robotic arms, guided by sophisticated computer programs, move with precision, their movements a testament to Toyota's technological prowess. These machines are the unsung heroes of the manufacturing process. Sheets of steel, arriving just in time thanks to Toyota's famed just-in-time system, are precisely positioned within the welding station. This system ensures efficiency and reduces waste. The robotic arms descend, their welding torches igniting with a shower of sparks. Each spark signifies a step closer to a completed vehicle. With each precisely placed weld, the car's skeleton begins to take shape. The frame is meticulously crafted to ensure durability and strength. The robots work tirelessly, their movements a symphony of efficiency and precision. They operate in perfect harmony, ensuring every weld is flawless. Each weld is crucial, ensuring the structural integrity and safety of the vehicle. This attention to detail is what sets Toyota apart. Toyota's commitment to quality is evident in every stage of the frame-building process. Every component is inspected to meet the highest standards. Advanced sensors monitor each weld, ensuring it meets the company's stringent standards. These sensors are critical in maintaining the integrity of the frame. This dedication to precision ensures that every Toyota frame is built to last, providing a solid foundation for the vehicle's life on the road. It's a promise of reliability and safety. The completed frames, their metallic surfaces gleaming under the factory lights, move on to the next stage of the assembly process. Each frame is a testament to Toyota's engineering excellence. They carry with them the promise of reliability, a promise forged in the heat of the welding arcs and the unwavering precision of Toyota's robotic workforce. This is the foundation of every Toyota vehicle. Once the car's frame is complete, it enters the paint shop, a testament to Toyota's commitment to environmental responsibility and innovation. Here, advanced robotic systems apply a spectrum of vibrant colors, each coat contributing to the car's final aesthetic and protecting it from the elements. These robots ensure precision and consistency in every application. But Toyota's commitment to sustainability goes beyond just the final look. It encompasses the entire painting process. Toyota utilizes eco-friendly water-based paints, minimizing the use of harmful solvents and reducing emissions. These paints, free from heavy metals and volatile organic compounds, significantly reduce the environmental impact of the painting process. This ensures a safer planet for future generations. The air within the paint shop is constantly filtered and purified, ensuring a safe working environment for Toyota's employees. This advanced filtration system captures any residual particles. The painting process itself is a marvel of precision and efficiency, showcasing Toyota's technological prowess. Robots equipped with advanced spray nozzles apply even coats of paint, minimizing waste and ensuring a flawless finish. This meticulous process guarantees durability and longevity. Sensors monitor the thickness and uniformity of each coat, guaranteeing a high-quality paint job that will stand the test of time. This level of quality control is unmatched. As the freshly painted car bodies emerge from the paint shop, they gleam under the factory lights, showcasing not only Toyota's commitment to aesthetic excellence but also its dedication to environmental responsibility. Each car is a symbol of innovation and care. The vibrant colors are a testament to Toyota's vision of a future where mobility and sustainability go hand in hand. This vision drives every aspect of their manufacturing process.